Yes, welcome to the show program ku Egiiko ne Chef Ben. It's a Sunday and manyi otudde mukalidde mwakava mu church oba mugenda ku church and today tugenda kubanga tubatuusaako abagenyi baffe mu bbanga etali ya wala tuli Chromeos restaurant we tugenda okukolera olunaku olwaleero ate nina abagenyi bange. Today I've tried to do it a little bit twisted with the school guys, school guys, those who are in holidays and those actually going to school, I think on 29th. You'll be ready to be on the show and possibly ngenda kubanga introducing abagenyi bange bali ku show program ku Egiiko ne Chef Ben, ku Egiiko ne Chef Ben KBS TV every single Sunday sawa 5 twenda kujisubwa nange Chef Ben oba sokumta Africa's finest chef oba nanyi ni masala tukoze n'aba bubble event batusaka ebifaananyi ebirungi ebyakabima ku show ku Egiiko ne Chef Ben. Basically we are very lucky to have one of the beauty pageant in Little Miss Uganda, and is one of the guests I'm having today on the show, and possibly nga sina twala budde bungi kabe yanjule eri abalabya program. Webali kuja ku program ya ku Egiiko.
Well, let's see,
What's your name?
My name is Namwanje Peace, but nowadays I'm more known as Queen Peace.
Okay.
Because I contested for Little Miss Uganda in 2020,
Okay.
and I was crowned as second runner-up Little Miss Uganda and Rising Woman.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
I'm a student of St. Andrew Kagwa, Gombe High School, Kawala. I'm so proud of my school.
Sure,
Thank you.
That's beautiful. Peace.
Yes.
Queen Peace. Now I told that to love also okubeera queen anytime, and you become a Uganda property in terms of what you do possibly. And next to me, what's your name?
My name is Nachisend Habiba.
Okay.
And I'm a dancer at Mamelo Youth Outreach Uganda. And I'm a student at Good Shepherd Primary School Kawala.
Okay.
And I'm so proud of my school
Okay.
because they give us bursaries because of what our academic results.
Yes, and talent.
Yeah.
And talent, the skill you give. That's beautiful. Those otulaba abana bano, they're very brilliant. And you as well, you can be like these kids, yeah? You can be like these kids. And on program ku Egiiko, nina omukulu munange. Ogamba ate mukama wange. Your names? What's your
My name is Mwanje Emma.
Okay.
I study at Alpha and Omega Junior School.
Okay. That's beautiful. Tulakalira tugenda kubanga tubatusaako production and abaana bano bagenda kubanga bafumba bennyini nga batulaga. They actually going to challenge me. So bagenda kubanga batulaga how to produce this meal. And briefly we have chicken in front of us. It's a chicken breast. Oba kyewandise flakes. Flakes eno tujja mu nkoko. When you burn this chicken, they are the pieces that are in the breast of the chicken, and you do it a flakes. You know your flakes are fair. So abana bangambe, they need some onions, some tomatoes, some bell peppers, what we call capsicum, or colored peppers, and a few ingredients. We have paprika, we have ketchup, and we have Royco, curry powder, salt, garlic, and oil. So now, even carrot. Thank you so much, Chef Mwanje. Yes, and possibly bagenda kubanga batutwala munga batulaga how to produce this particular jetugenda okukola olunaku olwaleero program ku Egiiko ne Chef Ben nga sagala questinga budde bungi batulaga skills ze bayina, which is part of their curricular activity at school, I guess. Yes. And also it's a dream. We inspire young people as she is inspiring the fellow kids at school. Now tugenda mu kye tuyita chopping. Yeah, skills in chimanyo zinamu. You can have your knife. Mukulu munange, you can have your knife as well. Ye lefter, yeah. And Habiba also. So buli omu agenda kubanga choppinga chaina. So Peace ojja kubanga otusalira tubes za buno chicken. Then Habiba nga choppinga katungulu, chop your way. And Mwanje, you also do the chopping. So we can kick on. Tutandike. Buli omu asali kiki. Okay. Some little oil. That's enough. Let's see. That's enough. So when you put oil, you wait it to heat. Yeah. You heat the pan and then you put the oil, which is beautiful. So after this, I want you to season these strips of chicken. So when you're seasoning, you season with salt, yeah? So you season this chicken very nicely, then after, we're gonna get a noodles, yeah? Ate mu kiyungu tetubeera na ssaawa naye just because oli queen tugenda kusanyuwa olwekyo. You don't have watches, metals in the kitchen. Yeah, so but being a queen, so we can keep it like that. So mix regularly nicely, wanabye bulungi engalo, and then mix a little salt, little more salt. Okay. So we check up if our oil is ready. Yes, our oil is getting ready a bit. So now, twin piece, you can put your pieces of chicken there. So you said you love it with boiled rice, yeah? Yes. With rice. Yes, you will have that with the rice. Okay. Slowly as we have. So let me help you. You can continue. Okay. Thank you. So when you're cooking, you make sure you're very careful, because you might burn yourself, right? So now that's what we call flipping. You see the flames? So you flip, yeah? So technically you cannot do this at home until you're an expert, yeah? You get and you flip over. So you see now the texture of the chicken has changed. Yeah? From the chicken you're cutting, and now the chicken has changed. So that means when the texture is changing, it gets to golden brown, the chicken will be able to be eaten. So now, bw'osigala ng'ofumba ejja kulaga texture ng'eyidde. So gyetaaga a little bit golden brown, and chicken being quite meat, tetugifumba nnyo ate otegere, because already eri soft. Togenda gifumbira essaawa namba oba ssaawa bbiri. Otegedde? So mwanje ajja kutuyambako on seasoning this. Can you flip this or you feel at forward? Okay. So mwanje, what do you have there?
Carrot.
You have carrot?
Yes.
And Habiba, what do you have there?
I have tomatoes, pepper, and even onion.
Ndowooza mulaba texture ya enkoko yaffe nga bwefaanana. So mwanje, you will have no, why? Tutandika nnyo n'obutungulu, yeah? We start with onions. We have our garlic here. Now we start with garlic and onions because these are bulbs. So ensonga lwaki tusooka mu onion n'akatungulu, we want to extract all these flavors, yeah? Tuba twagala ku akawoowo kaffe konna kasooke kakole ki? Kagendemu. So I think Habiba ojja teekamu akatungulu ne garlic muno, teekamu buyoole bwonna butungulu bwonna obukole ki? Oteeke wakati wano. Yeah. Okay. Good. So ne garlic waffe toolako garlic mutonotono nayo omuteekemu. Yes, beautiful. So ngenda kwongeramu kabuto katono because it is dried a bit until we contract nze. Yeah. So nkwatirako katono. Mwanje. Come through. So I want you to get this. This is called the mingling stick, yeah? You know it? So now you mix it together. Okay, slowly. You love the aroma? You feel the aroma already? Yes. So you give it a dakika 35, and then your chicken is gonna be ready. You see how beautiful it is? You can make this for mama at home. Have you learned the procedure of making this? Okay, good. So Habiba, tuwe kunyanya. Ne vegetables zonna eziri eyo. Teekamu kunyanya buli kimu okikole ki? Carrots, peppers, byonna bituteeremu lumu. Yeah. So you see these beautiful tomatoes abaana ze bakoze. The rest of the peppers. Okay. So this is enough. So kanoko kaiza ko flippinga ngwemo flippingemu. What it them? That's enough. You can put the red one. What did they flipping? So you flip, hold. You push, in front. As simple as that. So tugenda chiwa mobude butono komeo nga tukola ki nga tumaliriza kye tuyita seasoning. So now tugenda kusizoninga enkoko yaffe eno and possibly queen piece ogenda tusizoningira enkoko eno. What do we need? We need a little salt, a little royco, kale powder katono ne soy sauce and jatuwaako ka paprika katono awo kasembeze eno side eno ne ka tomato sauce ako anteeko then and the rest of those ingredients zonna musituwe wano. So piece ojja kunyambako tugenda teekamu ka ketchup katono. So piece, put a pinch of paprika here, a pinch. That's enough. So for now royco eyo, yes, royco. Put more. So also gitabula mu mazzi koze kwatira, so nogiteekamu after, yeah. That's enough. That's enough. So for now soy sauce eyo, nako kakale powder katono nako teekemu. Okay, nice. Now get soy sauce. Soy sauce, you know, no? Because any more munyo or not take a muntono, so you drizzle a little there. Drizzle nicely in the middle. That's enough. That's enough. So dark soy sauce. So you see the texture, Abiba. You can see the texture is beautiful, and I will flip for you here. Yes, our last segmentation ya Kuba Egiiko ne Chef Ben and abaana bano bebakufumbidde ekijjulo kino bulijjo mulaba ffe mugamba ya Chef Ben abikola atya naye mwanje yandaze baba Chef Ben talina kyali yakubye Egiiko nange nentya and Queen Peace naye yanchallenge nze nga ye bwasala akatungulu olunyanya ne green ne peppers and Habiba ye yakimazeeko yasaza akatungu n'endowooza oba machine ye kasala and this is beautiful. We want to inspire you ladies and gentlemen, mwebale nnyo kubanga mugulira program Kuba Egiiko ne Chef Ben wano tukoledde ku Romeo's restaurant. Romeo's restaurant mwagiwulirako. This is one of the best restaurants in Kampala. Yeah, bakadde bamubaleete mulirenga wano. They have very nice meal ngabe mukoze bye bakola wano. So now n'ensonga eyo tubadde n'aba bubble event on the program abatusaako ebifaananyi bino yagala mukolo, wedding, graduation, any surprise event batuukirire bagenda kubanga bakutusaako ebyakabi ebisinga. Bubble event is the way to go, and possibly Romeo's restaurant mwebale nnyo kubanga mutuwadde space okukolerako ebintu byaffe bino and olaba ekijjula abaana kye bakoze very beautiful. Food Chronicles catering service yange eyo oba oyagala kufumbira ku mikolo abantu 10 kudda waggulu oba bameka so long as you want us bwe tuli tunoonyeko kwa kamwesimo tujja kubanga tutuusaako service ennungi and possibly no digital marketing namwe bali kuteeka ku mutimbagano n'olwensonga eyo saagala genda njagala nga sinasiibula omukulu mwanje naye asiibuleko kuba tulaba closing show eno na buli omu agenda kusiibula program.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching this show of Kuba Egiiko ne Chef Ben. I send greetings to my school, Alpha and Omega Junior School.
Hi guys, thank you for watching Tufumbe ne Chef Kuba Egiiko ne Chef Ben.
Yes.
And it is there every single Sunday ku ssaawa 5. I give thanks to Bubble Events for editing our videos. Thank you. And I send greetings to my lovely mom, my dad, and our school, Good Shepherd Nursery and Primary School, Kawala.
Basewo ne bannyawo mwebale kulaba show yaffe ya leero eya Kuba Egiiko ne Chef Ben KBS TV every Sunday 11 a.m. I really thank the Little Miss Uganda team because even when I was going to contest, I was scared. Okay. I thought when they know that suffered of sickle cell, they may say we shall not manage her. Nga wamanyi bine by'abaana, not to wear high heels. At in modeling, you have to wear high heels. Okay. Not to do a lot of things. At you have to do a lot of things. Okay. But I really thank Aunt Trisha and Aunt Justine because when Mommy talked to them, they really said we love this girl because she's really proud of herself. she's inspiring other children out of herself.
Okay.
So it's fine, she can contest.
Alright.
I really thank the Little Miss Uganda team.
Okay.
I thank the Kampala Kids Fashion Show,
Okay.
Aunt Fifi and Uncle Hunter.
Okay.
Thank you. I thank the International School of Modeling under the Kids Modeling Academy. I thank you. Thank you for being there for me, for supporting me. I thank my school. I'm so proud of it. St. Andrew Kagwagombe High School, Kawala. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for supporting me. Cause tebanja ula kubalala, they are giving me the same love as other children. Thank you. I send greetings and thanking to Mommy Rocky. Thanks for the love and supporting me. Thank you so much, Mommy Rocky. I send greetings to Rocky's team group because they are also supporting me, even if the group is not mine, but they really love me and support me.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much for that. We're inspired. I'm inspired myself. I'm inspired. Nange ngenda tumirako Dickson yanze biranganye ebinyeebwa ne appetizer. Nange nkutumiddeko. Ebinyeebwa byange wabibba nnyo. Era kati nkutumirako and thank you so much for coming. Thanks for coming. And segmentation yaffe ddako tugenda kutuula eri tulye ku mmere yaffe gye tufumbye and abantu kyankalanyanga nga babba kawunga kaffe tetugenda bayita tubaveeko kubanga era batuyisa bubi n'olwensonga eyo ngenda kubanga mbasiibula program ku Egiiko ne Chef Ben every single Sunday. Tolina kumissinga program eno sawa 5 tuula eyigiriza and we want to help these young people achieve their dream. Achieve their dream. Babo events mwebale nnyo kubanga mututwala nibe tukola KBS TV tetsobola kubeerabira kubanga mwe musinga abantu airtime. Until next time, from me the Queen, Mwanje and Abiba, until next time we see you.